In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to your Wix website with this full guide. We'll be walking through each step to ensure that your forms look great and function smoothly on your site. We'll start by creating your form in Typeform and follow through to embedding it on your Wix website. Let's get started. First, head over to the Typeform website. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in or create a new account. Once you're logged in, you're ready to create a new form. This could be a survey, a quiz, a registration form, or any other interactive form that your site needs. Typeform offers an intuitive design process, so take some time to customize your form so it looks just right. After you've crafted your perfect form, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. Here, you'll have the option to either get an embed code or a direct form link. The choice depends on how you want to display the form on your website. Either way, you'll need to copy one of these. Next, we'll move over to your Wix website where we'll embed the form. You'll first want to enter the Wix editor and open up the specific page where you'd like your form to appear. Once you're on the desired page, navigate to the left-hand menu and click Add, then choose Embed Code, followed by Embed HTML. This will open up a box where you can paste the embed code that you copied from Typeform's Share menu earlier. Make sure to paste it correctly, and then you can resize the embed box to perfectly fit your form. It's crucial to ensure that the form fits well within the design of your page for a seamless user experience. Finally, once everything is set up to your satisfaction, click on Publish to make your form live. Your site will now display the Typeform on your designated page, allowing visitors to effortlessly interact with it. That's it. You've now successfully connected your Typeform to your Wix website. By following these steps, you ensure that your forms are both functional and aesthetically pleasing, enhancing the interactivity and usability of your site. Don't forget to test the form yourself to see how it looks and functions on different devices. This can help you catch any small adjustments that might be needed for an even better visitor experience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy form building!